Assalamu alaikum. We are going to start our day with the name of Allah. Take out your PP book and open page number 1. Recite the Awwaz. Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Tasmiyah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Now, question number 1. Who are we? We are Muslims. Question number 2. What is the Awwaz? Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Question number 3. What is Tasmiyah? Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Question number 4. What is the name of our religion? Our religion is Islam. Question number 5. Who is Allah? Allah is our Creator and Lord. Question number 6. Where does Allah live? Allah lives everywhere. Question number 7. Who are prophets? Prophets are the messenger of Allah. Question number 8. How many prophets were there? There were 1,24,000 prophets. Question number 9. Where is the house of Allah on earth? Khane Kaaba. The house of Allah is in Makkah. Question number 10. Who created us? Allah created us. Okay, now close your books. Thank you. This is our reading time. Take out your reader. A good trick. Now open the page number 3. This is our reading time. Take out your reader. A good trick. And open page number 4. A big box. Big box. A big box. Which box is this? Big box. Turn over the page. Page number 6. A little box. A little box. Little box. Big box. Little box. Big box. Turn over the page. 8. Page number 8. Keeper. Keeper. Keeper.
Okay, it's time to work time. Come on, check out your workbook 2 and open page number 381. Today we tried to trace and color and recognize the letter U. Which letter is this? This is the letter U. Which letter is this? U. Okay, come on now, read the pictures with me. U for umbrella. U for umpire. U for unicorn. अब आपने क्या करना है? First you color the letter U, then given pictures. Now turn and open page number 382. सेम थिंग्स आपने इसमें करनी है. कलर द पिक्चर्स दैट स्टार्ट लाइक अम्ब्रेला. अब आपने क्या करना है? जो पिक्चर्स लेटर यू, और यू का साउंड क्या होता है? अ अ अ. आपने उन पिक्चर्स में कलर करना है जो लेटर यू से स्टार्ट होती है. सपोज दिस इज एम्पायर. एम्पायर स्टार्ट फ्रॉम लेटर यू. इट मीन्स यू कलर इट. देन look here, there are arrows. One is up and one is down. Down start from D and up start from U. It means you color the up arrow. Okay. Now come to the next page. Page number 383. What you have to do from this page? Circle the object that begin with the letter U. First is done for you. There is a dotted circle around the. Okay, now come to the next page, 383. What you have to do from this page? Circle the object that begin with the letter U. आपने उन pictures पे circle करना है जो letter U से start होती हैं. Okay, this is the umbrella. Umbrella is start from letter U. It means you circle. Okay, one by one आप pictures को read करेंगे, then recognize करेंगे, और फिर आपने उन pictures पे circle करना है जो letter U से start होती है. Now come to the next page. Turn and open page number 384. What you have to do? There is a tracing of letter U. U is for umbrella. What is this? Umbrella. Which picture is this? Umbrella. U is for umbrella. First you trace these given pattern. Now come down. There is a free handwriting space. What you have to do? We try to write a letter U in starting 3 lines. Okay. We never touch a 4th line. Okay. How we write? Okay. Now I show you. We start umbrella from. We start U from first line. Go down, 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 down. Touch the third line, round and go up like this. Never touch a fourth line. Okay? We never touch fourth line. Which letter is this? This is the letter U. Okay, come to the next page. This is the tracing of sound which sound is this? This is the is for umbrella. Is for umbrella. Okay. First you trace the sounds. Now come down. There's a free space for try to write the sound Okay. How we write? We never touch first and fourth line. Okay. We try to write letter sound between two lines. Okay. How? I show you. Start from second line, come down, 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 round and go up. We never touch first and fourth line. Okay. Now turn and open page number 386. What you have to do कि हम पहले भी कर चुके हैं previous letters का. First you trace the letter U and sound and cross out the odd one. आपने उस picture को cross करना है जो letter U से start नहीं होती है. Look, this is the umbrella. Umbrella start from U. It means we never cross. This is the up. Up is also start from letter U. We never cross. Now come down. This is the upside down. Upside down is also start from letter U. It means this one is not odd one. And what is this? This is a line. What is this? This is a line. It means line is start from letter L. Just cross this one like this. Okay. Now turn and open page number 387. What you have to do from this page? First you read this poem with your parents. Then circle the letter U. Okay. अब आप उसको read करेंगे. Then आपने मम्मा की हेल्प से लेटर यू को सर्कल करना है. हाउ? Now I show you. First read the first line. Kookaburra sits. There is any U in this row? Check. Now I am checking. Yes, this is a letter U. Now you circle like this. इसे तरह one by one आप lines को read करेंगे. Then circle करेंगे. Okay. Now it's time to next work. Now take out your English copy and open this prepaid page. Okay, there's a letter U. Which letter is this? अभी आपने अपनी बुक में रीडिंग किया है. Come on. Which letter is this? This is the letter U. Come down, round and go up. Which letter is this? This is the letter U. And which picture is this? Can you recognize this picture? Do you know the name of this one? Umbrella. Very good. Which one is this? Umbrella. Okay. What you have to do, first you read these things and color. Okay, how we color? First you make the outline, then fill it. No need to out. Okay, now come to the next page. There's a tracing of letter U and sound Which sound is this? U आपने इसको trace करना है. Take out your math copy and open this page. This page is prepared in your copy. Okay. What you have to do? First we revise the numbers, then try to trace and write these numbers in your copy. Okay. Now come on, read with me. Which number is this? Do you know which number is this? 1. 1 is down and down. Now come. Which number is this? What's come after 1? 1 के बाद कौन सा number आता है? What's come after 1? 2. Which number is this? 2. 2 is round and sitting down. 2 is round and sitting down. Okay, now come to the next number. 1, 2. And what's come after 2? 3. What's come after 2? 3. Do you know the spelling of number 3? THREE 3. ONE 1. TWO 2. THREE 3. Okay, 3 is round and round. How we try to write number 3? First we make a small round, then second round. Okay, 3 is round and round. Now come to the next. 1, 2, 3. What's come after 3? 4. Which number is this? 4. F-O-U-R 4. F-O-U-R 4. Okay, 4 is like a sitting on a chair. अगर आप गौर करेंगे कि आप चेयर्स की डायरेक्शन को देखेंगे तो चेयर्स भी इसी तरह से आपको शो होगी. चेयर का शेडो आपको नंबर 4 की तरह बिल्कुल शो होगा. Which number is this? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now come to the last one. Which number is this? 5. Do you know the spelling of number 5? F-I-V-E, 5. F-I-V-E, 5. Okay, now first you trace one time and try to write this number by the position of by the mentioned dot. Okay, आपने इन डॉट के जरिए नंबर को राइट करना है. Okay.